Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to delete compressed files on Samsung step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. First, grab your Samsung phone and open the Settings app. You can easily find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2, once the Settings app is open, scroll down until you find the Device Care option, then tap on it. Step 3, in the Device Care menu, look for the Storage option and select it. This will take you to an overview of your phone's storage usage. Step 4, here you'll see different storage categories. Locate the Compressed Files option and tap on it to view all compressed files stored on your device. Step 5, now you'll see a list of all the compressed files on your phone. If you want to delete all of them at once, press and hold on any file until selection options appear. Then tap on the All option to select all files. Step 6, after selecting the files you want to delete, tap on the Delete All option. A confirmation prompt will appear. Simply tap Move to Trash to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully deleted compressed files on your Samsung phone. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.